Hey guys, my name is Crystal Lisa. Thank you so much for dropping by. Be sure to subscribe for more great content. Today you are actually seeing my face. I'm actually doing a sit down video that I have missed doing because I love like sitting down and chatting with you guys. So I thought this would be like the perfect opportunity for it. Though I have been stalling doing this video just because it feels a little bit weird, but I feel like it's a YouTube thing, so I might as well just come out here and say it. So we do have some big channel news today, and I'm so excited and I'm so grateful to every single one of you because it is your watching that has made this possible. So I'm so excited that now apparently my channel can have like a membership option, so you can like become a member of this channel. Honestly, if I thought I could get through everything like I wanted to communicate in this video, then I would have just made it like a 50-second short, right? But then like I feel like it's really important for me to actually come here and explain that nothing is changing on this channel now that it has membership. So I am so grateful that you guys keep coming back. And YouTube, I don't even know why this happened based on the rules that I know exist. I don't even think I'm qualified, but somehow I just found the membership option suddenly available a few weeks ago. So it has been live for like a couple of weeks maybe. So I just thought it's important for you to not see that and think there's like a secret members only section of content that's only going out there. Like, no, I just wanted to explain like the whole thought process behind actually accepting to be in the membership option program thing, and then like how I'm going to be handling it moving forward. So I just wanted full complete transparency, because honestly I'm not even telling people that I know like in real life that they can become a member of this channel, because there's no pressure whatsoever. I don't want you to feel obligated. I don't want you to feel like you have to. I don't want you to strain yourself to like become a member, because it doesn't make any sense. The content on this side of the channel, the non-membership side, is not going to change whatsoever. The only thing that's going to be a little bit different on the member side is that there's a few videos I had, well, technically I only have the one big video that I have in mind that I've wanted to make for some time now, but then I felt like a certain type of way about it. Like I feel a bit weird sitting here and talking about it because I don't want it to be misunderstood. I don't want everything to be misconstrued. So some things that I may not be very comfortable talking about publicly might go in the membership section only, but it's not like a section of my house that I'm going to renovate and only the members get to see it or anything like sinister like that, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and like actually explain what's going to be happening moving forward, so we're all on the same page. And it gave me an excuse to get all dressed up. Today I chose a black hair because I've missed it. I haven't worn it in a minute and I am kind of feeling the vibe. And also it's the first video that I've gotten to shoot with my navy wall, so I am so excited. But yeah, so I just wanted to sort of explain how we ended up here. So a few weeks ago I I called my carpenter. Actually, he'd been here doing the back, and you saw that video where he fixed the cement, did the back, did the fence, did the curtain rod, like that whole little things happening, right? So in that process we had talked about finally doing the dining table, and he'd given me a quote of 1,000 bob for him to create like a stable base for my dining table, like legs that are interlocking so they don't like wobble all over the place. So that was on a Saturday when he was here, I think. Slept on it, thought about it, decided I just want to pull the trigger. I just want a dining table, right? So on Tuesday I called him. His phone wasn't even off, and it wasn't that he wasn't answering it. It was Mteja without being Mteja. Like, you know, the way these days it tells you like we'll notify you when the person is available again. This one was just saying he's not available, he's not available, he's not available. I'm like panicking because I really A, want to get it done, and then B, transitioned into the stage of you're so worried about your table, you're not even thinking about this person who is suddenly like fallen off the face of the earth. He could be hurt or something. Like, said spiraling into concern. And after like 3 days I was like, you know what, just give him time, give him space. Whatever is going on, he'll resurface at some point, right? So in that whole process I realized that I don't actually want to be like basically held hostage by someone else's schedule. So I decided that I'm gonna get a drill and I'm gonna build a table. So as we're sitting here, I did build a dining table maybe 2-3, I think it's been actually a month technically, because I've had it for a while and I've been loving it for a while, but it's not stable at all, not in any shape or form. Can you call this table stable? So, but yeah, I don't regret like spiraling and ending up getting a drill, because a drill is gonna help me out with so many other projects, and it already has. So that is going to have its own review video. I was gonna do like a drill review video and then like a building a dining table video, but then like the dining table is too wobbly for me to even advise you to like follow my steps. So I feel like I'm still going to end up calling him anyway. But that's all going to be talked about in its own separate video. But this is just to give you an idea of the thought process that goes into the different projects that are happening on this channel. And I have to like finish a project before I can bring you a video. That's why I end up skipping a couple of weeks here and there, because sometimes I just don't have the energy. Like I've been talking myself into washing the rest of my kitchen wall for like 3 weeks now, and I just keep looking at it and thinking, I don't want to climb up there. I don't want to move everything out. Like I don't want to turn my life upside down just for that. But I feel like I'm finally at the point where I want my kitchen to be done, at least on the surface. So that is coming soon. But as much as I'm learning how to pace myself and not like do too much at once, the different projects do end up like spiraling a little bit and like becoming a little bit tricky to manage. Like I have to learn how to tell myself no without like not having content here, without like it's just a whole balance that I'm trying to achieve. So yeah, when the membership option came up, I was like, you know what, a few people have asked me in the past if I have like an M-Pesa pay bill or something, and I always feel so weird like taking money from people, because I'm not built for that. Like the only person in this world that I could ever take anything from is like my mom and like my grandparents in like a major emergency. But since it is a YouTube thing, like it's a YouTube membership thing, and they have their whole percentages and their whatevers, I thought it would be interesting to actually introduce it on this channel and have it be as an option, as opposed to like a direct line from like this channel to your pockets. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't know if that makes it any better or worse, but I feel like because the option exists, it's definitely not something I'm encouraging everyone to do. It's just for those few people who have asked, the option does exist. So what are the options? Okay, so the options that I chose was the most inexpensive layer. So this is $2.49. I wish I could change it to Kenyan shillings, but unfortunately I cannot. So I don't actually know how much would be taken off of your card every month. So that's definitely something to look into, but it should roughly be about 250 shillings. And then YouTube takes its percentage, and then apparently there are taxes on that. And I don't even know what that will end up being, but I feel like that's a really sweet spot because it's not too expensive. So I'm hoping it's not something that will be like outrageous for everyone, but also I'm not expecting everyone to join. Again, you do not have to. Liking the videos is just as much support as joining the channel. So please do not feel pressured whatsoever. So $2.49 is $2.49. Let me say that is the base, like the most basic level. I've only chosen 2 because honestly I don't really think there's gonna be that much on the paid side of this channel to warrant me being like, guys, everyone go join, because I genuinely only have like one video idea, and that's what's going to be available at the slightly higher level. So there's $2.49 and there's $5.49. So what I would suggest is that for the super fam, which is a $5.49 section, you should only like upgrade to that once a new video goes up, because I cannot guarantee consistency on that front, like the videos going up there, because I can't really think about other things that I'll talk about on the paywall side of things that I wouldn't talk about on the channel anyway. And I don't want it to become that you have to pay to really get value from this channel. Like I appreciate every one of you that like comes to me and they're like, I really enjoyed that video, I learned something new, I'm gonna do this because of that video, or that because of that video. Like it means a lot. So I wouldn't want to limit it to only the paid side of this channel getting those benefits. But for the highest level that you can subscribe and then like immediately unsubscribe after you see the video is I thought, okay, the video I've been wanting to make for a while is how I almost bought a house, because in 2019 I was this close to signing documents that would have had me be like a homeowner, but like in my own right, not like my mom's house, but like my house, right? And so close. I was so close. I went, I saw the developments that they had in the works. I saw everything. They sent me all the documents. But then there's a certain type of way they were trying to pressure me to sign them. Like sign and then read them later. Like sign and then think about it later. Sign because the only thing you have to pay us up front is 30,000, and then we'll go from there. We'll figure out the other millions later. And I was just, it kind of made me really uncomfortable. So like when I talked to my uncle about it, that's when he took me to see Avana, and Avana just like blew my mind. I loved it so much. So I realized that I don't want to rush into making my first home purchase. So that is how that story ended. But basically, yeah, that's a summary of it, right? But then I haven't made a whole dedicated video talking about it, just because it kind of feels clickbaity to me, and because it didn't actually end up happening. So I do want to like share that experience with you and like the lessons that I learned through it. But at the same time, that's not really what this channel is generally about. So it just feels kind of weird like bringing that content here. So yeah, when I saw the join option, and I've been thinking about it for a while, like how am I going to to incorporate this into like our regularly scheduled programming, then I thought, why not have it be part of the paid one? And because you're able to have literally up to like 10 different levels, but I don't have benefits for like 10 different levels. So I feel like for the second level, like the 549 one, I think it makes more sense for me to include it there. So that it's like a one-time purchase versus like a base level thing, right? And then also obviously once you become a member, you can actually make requests for videos. I don't have to make those videos because this isn't like an OnlyFans thing. This is YouTube, right? So I'd be happy to hear your ideas on what you'd like to see on that side of the channel, and also this side of the channel, obviously. But then there's some things that I have to be like more consistent with on this side of the channel versus that side of the channel. We can get like a little bit deeper into other things, you know. I hope any of this is even making sense. Like, so yeah, basically the base level subscription is just to support this channel with the different projects that I'm doing. In case you were ever feeling like you were touched and wanted to like contribute a little bit to them, that would actually go a really long way. So either way, again, liking a video is just as supportive of this channel, because then YouTube shares it even further, and then more views means sponsorships that I am crossing my fingers for. In the background, I'm working on a couple of things, so hopefully something will be brought to you soon, but like I'm not making any promises there because that's not really my decision. But yeah, there's just a lot going on. So joining the base level is just the easiest way to support this channel. Thank you in advance if you want to join it, and thank you even if you don't want to join it. Thank you if you want to join it and you can't join it. Thank you if you just thumbs up the video, because I really appreciate that. Thank you if you share the video, because then other people can join the fam, you know. Also, if you are thinking about joining the membership, would you let me know what perks you'd be interested in? Because I do have a few listed. So one of them is photos and status updates. So I don't really show projects when I'm halfway through them, because I'm one of those people who hates videos of 1 week update and 2 week update, and it's like one thing has moved. Like, I prefer to see beginning to end in one video. So that's more the content that I usually bring on this channel. But like little in-betweens, progress photos and all of that, that's all going to be on the member side if that's something you're interested in. So do let me know what you would be interested in on the member side if you are planning to join, or if you're thinking about joining, or just throw out some ideas. I'm open to anything. So photos and status updates, member shout outs. So if you're comfortable with your name being publicly mentioned as a member of this channel, I'd be happy to have that in the description box. I don't know if you'd want it in a video. I feel like that would be like low-key passive aggressively pressuring other people to join, so I don't really want to do that. But I will have it in the description box and probably in the comment box as well, just like a member thank you for being here, for being consistent, for all of that. But again, just watching the videos consistently, like, it makes me so happy when I see like first one here comments on like a new video going up, and it makes me really happy, and then it makes me really sad when people delete them. But then like I'm grateful that you're here, period. You being here is more than enough. Another benefit that I thought I should include for being just a baseline channel supporter, just part of the fam, is priority reply to comments. So I don't always have it in me to like sit down and like respond to everything, and I don't ever want to give throwaway responses. That's why I end up taking a bit more time in between my responses to comments. But priority membership does have the option of me like immediately just dropping what I'm doing and responding to your comment, and I feel like I can do that. I hope I can keep up with that, so fingers crossed. That is one of the benefits here. Another thing I was thinking about is like, I just finished binge watching season 1, 2, 3, plus watching the movie twice of Veronica Mars. So you see, something like that isn't something that I can regularly bring on the channel because it's so different from our usual content. But as a paid video member, like the upper level, then you can actually request such videos and we can just sit down and like talk about it. I don't know if you can go live with channel memberships, but I feel like that could be interesting, right? Like, anyway, if you're having like a nostalgic moment and like rewatching all the things from our shared childhood, because I'm guessing we're all about the same age, then we can talk about that. But that's all open. Like, you can just leave me requests on the channel section and then we'll talk about it and we'll figure it out and we'll go from there. So yeah, right now the only video idea I actually have for like the upper level, because the upper level gets all of these benefits as well as the dedicated like videos in that section. So again, they're not going to be regular videos, so you can just up your subscription when a video comes up and I will tell you when the video goes live, and then like go back to the regular base level, or even like no subscription whatsoever, right? So yeah, I didn't want to just like stealthily slip in the join button on my channel and like not actually explain what that's about. So that is what this video is. As of next week, we are back to regularly scheduled programming. I am going to be leaving town at some point for a few weeks, so I'm currently 70% through 4 different videos just just so that I can have more content coming up. That's why one video hasn't gone up. That's why we skipped last weekend, because I just could not do it. And then sitting down to make this video, I needed a bit more time to like prepare myself for it. Yeah, I'm glad we've talked about this. I'm never gonna bring up channel memberships again. So either you want to or you don't, but then like you're good either way. Honestly, you're good either way. So again, I've mentioned I'm not even telling people in my real, because I know if I tell my grandparents, they like sign up, but then I don't want to like guilt anyone into it. So please only do it if you feel this is something you want to do. If you don't want to do it, totally understand, appreciate your support either way. And if you want to do it but don't want to be mentioned as a channel member, like you don't want that publicizing, I'm also open to that. So just let me know, and then we can continue on this journey of renovations together. Maybe I can start doing different projects simultaneously. That could be fun. So yeah, it's all a work in progress. I'm grateful for you being here. That's all I'm going to say in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this membership idea, if you don't like this membership idea, if you want me to bring that membership video to the public side, because that probably can be discussed, but then I feel like it's a bit more detailed than I like to reveal about myself. So that's kind of why I haven't gone into it on this side of the, because that was almost 2 years ago, and I have pictures and I have documentation and I have everything. So I actually have a house tour because I took videos of the houses I was looking at, but they're all tiny. Let me not like give you the idea that I was looking at houses in Kitusura or something, right? It was 1 bedrooms, and I was looking at it as to live in plus an investment, and then I ended up finding my place in Lokabete and fell in love with it, so decided to go for that. Then I was in talks with the landlord of Lokabete to buy the unit from him, but then a couple of things made me not go through with that either. So there's a lot that's going to be explained in that video that I'm not really open to talking about publicly. So yeah, that is why I thought this would be a really good opportunity for the memberships. Anyway, I was ending this video. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.